Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be featuring the Nuna AACE Booster. And it's important to note that with any car seat or any booster seat that you're using it based on the child's size over their age. So the Nuna Booster Seat is a high back booster that then can transition into a no back booster. The high back booster should be used for kids between the weight of 40 to 110 pounds and then 38 to 60 inches tall. And then the no back booster mode can be used for a child that's between 50 and 120 pounds. And then those same height requirements, 38 to 60 inches tall. Let's go over some of its design and safety features. First off, it comes in 3 color options: caviar, granite, and lake. From the fabric to the foam, each element is designed to be naturally flame resistant with no added fire retardant chemicals. The AACE includes a dishwasher-safe cup holder and has cozy built-in armrests. Its energy-absorbing foam and side impact protection pods take crash security to the next level. It also has ventilation panels within the shell, and its breathable knit fabric ensures that your child is comfortable even on long trips. Now we'll go over some of the adjustable features so you can see how this car seat will grow with your child. It has a one-handed 9-position height adjustable headrest. The shoulder system works simultaneously with the headrest, so it expands outward as you raise the headrest. The seat has 3 possible depths, giving your child's growing legs plenty of support and space. It has lower anchor connectors that allow for 8 recline positions while in high back mode. They also easily secure the car seat to your vehicle seat during use or transport. The belt positioner aids in helping you to route the shoulder belt correctly and minimizes user error. Now we'll go over how to install the AACE. Start by pulling the lever on the bottom of the seat to release the lower anchor connectors. Pull them out and rotate them towards the seat, and then attach the connectors firmly until they click. They will show green when the seat is installed properly. Make sure that the back of the AACE is touching the vehicle seat. Raise the headrest as needed for your child's size. The bottom of the cushion should be at the top of your child's shoulder. Route the shoulder belt through the red belt guide. Pull the belt down across your child's chest and through the red lower belt path located under the armrests. Buckle the seat belt. The vehicle lap belt must lie flat and snug across your child's thighs. If you want to use no back booster mode, you can use it with or without the lower anchors. The lower anchors can just help prevent the car seat from becoming a projectile in a crash. Start off by pushing down on the back of the seat until it unclips. Set the backrest aside. Now you can attach the seatbelt positioner if you wish. This is especially for kids whose shoulders don't reach quite high enough. Feed the loop of the seatbelt positioner through one of the bars in the base of the seat, whichever side corresponds with the vehicle seatbelt. Loop it through itself. Set the booster flat on the vehicle seat and attach the lower connectors. Squeeze the lever and push it in all the way. With this method, you will still route the lap belt underneath the armrests and buckle your child in. Now you can clip the seatbelt positioner onto the shoulder strap, adjusting it so it rests just above your child's shoulder. We love the Nuna AACE Booster Seat for keeping your older children safe on the road. The installation is super convenient and super easy, and it's a great car seat. Thanks for watching. To shop the Nuna AACE Booster or any other gear item, you can go to babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders $25 or more. To learn about another one of our favorite booster seats, you can click on this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and let us know what you want to see next. We'll see you next time.